Blow.
Blow like a...
Oh.
Yay! Welcome! Nasa loob na pala kayo.
Peace, love,
And prosperity.
Bless.
Ay, video pala, no? Okay,
Go, ma'am.
Ayan, bless this room.
Bless this house.
With,
Oh,
okay. Michael.
Where is it?
Oh,
Insenso siya, no?
incense yan,
Wait.
Kaya nga ako ng isang stick ng insenso.
Oh.
It's time to say. Come on. Stand up.
Tagyan mo sa ganun, oh. Sa garapon. Careful, ah.
Jack,
Ay,
dahan-dahan sa...
bless this husband of Jessica.
Jack, dahan-dahan sa hibang, baka magliyabay niya din.
Upo ka muna sa binbad, gali, para ano. Okay, binyagan mo. Ganun.
Binyagan mo.
Sundan pa sila.
Biglang, ay, okay, namamatay naman. Bless this kitchen. Ay, namatay na. Okay.
Hindi, buhay pa siya.
Buhay pa.
Sabaw nga, eh. Amoy incense talaga ng, sa simbahan, ginagano.
Amoy simbahan nga.
May incense nga siya.
Bless our food.
Also.
Excited
Michael, you're not joining us.
O, sama na ng tingin sa pagkain sa
Yeah.
Because he wants it, then he take it.
Michael! Get it! Bye! Thanks for coming! Sure, Smile, Michael. Smile. If you don't smile, smile. I want you to smile, okay? Smile. Smile. Michael. Smile, Michael. Smile.
I have already smiled.
You're smiling already? No, one more time. Because mommy's shaking, wait. Is mommy shaking? There.
Oh.
Smile, Michael. Oh, congratulations! Look, Michael.
Hi.
So, cheese!
Look there. Look in my mommy's phone. Wait.
Why we cannot talk while we're smiling?
Wait, are you smiling?
Are you smiling?
No,
Marky?
Just look there.
Look
I
there.
don't like you pouting.
Right.
Just look.
That's smile.
So, cheese.
That.
We're waiting for our visitors for our housewarming.
She was coming.
Okay. Michael, where are you? Ay.
Because he lost his...
I got be eating
The
that.
L is making a
Dali.
spot.
Dali.
It's a lady. And I will never
Ay, wait.
lunch. And I'll never eat lunch all day. I'll
What's
never
that?
eat
Daddy,
lunch
Daddy.
all day. Ure salud.
Daddy.
Salud.
Daddy, look muna. Little bit because she's singing.
Rol. Lechorazo. Nacoratos.
We're waiting for you, friends. You say, we're waiting.
No, we're not. I'm speaking it's English.
Ano I'm speaking is English.
And then I'm saying a different language.
Ay. Wow. This is life. This is life. This is life. Yes. Welcome. Welcome to our home. Welcome.
I cut my.
Come on.
He said,
Ha?
cut
Hindi, pang fly daw, sabi ni Stefano. Richard. Oo, nagbuhos. Mamaya magpaprika pala. Cinnamon.
kind of wants to share because
Oh.
because he needs that.
Oh, okay. And then?
Because he wants to. Then he take it.
All right. Which one? What are you talking about?
Ravi.
Yeah. What? And ano ba yan? Hi.
Oh, never share you.
Hoy, look, don't cover your eyes. You're gonna fall down there. Ay, 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 ay.